Hello everyone. In this program today what I'm going to do in this we are going to write a search algorithm that is linear search and binary search. As we know that linear search is search in which the object which we have to the object the element which we have to search that will be searched linearly one by one from the starting. And in the binary search, when we will go with the binary search algorithm, it will search means logically it will search that in the binary search we have to keep the elements in the arranged order that will select directly with minimum steps. So here we are going with the program. Two functions we are creating, one is linear and second one is binary. Then we are declaring main function. In this main function we are declaring two data type, integer, character. In integer ch, character ch1. So we are going with do while. Firstly we are printing that for linear search user has to select 1 and for binary search user has to select 2, and then we are asking him to which choice user wants to do. That will be taken in ch as integer, and switch case we are using in the case 1, that is linear search, and the case 2 is binary search, and third is break. And then we are asking user want to do again, so see that will be here y for yes and no for n. So we are giving the function, we are declaring here, defining here the function of the linear one. In this we are taking an array of size 40 t. So we are asking the user to give the number of element to be entered, and enter the element one by one. For inserting the element we are using for loop, and we are inserting all the elements. Then we are asking the array elements are, we are displaying all the elements. Then the element we are asking to be searched, and that element we are running a for loop that will access all the elements, and in that we are comparing the element with the array with that index, and that index, if that index is compared and that is equal to that element, then that index will be printed. This is one of the linear one, and second one is the binary. In the binary what we are doing is we are checking the half middle one by dividing by 2, and then if the element is bigger than that we are checking the next half, and if it is lesser we are checking the half part, first half part. So we are declaring some integer mlhia array en. Then we are giving a statement to the user, enter the number of array, and we are storing that numbers in the array, and then we are displaying all the elements. Then we are moving to which element to be searched, so user will give that. Then we are declaring the h is equal to the maximum number of that array, and l is equal to 0. So we are initializing here and again a variable temp that is equal to 0, and then we are going with the while loop. The temp is equal to 0 until this is satisfied, this loop will run. So we are giving m is equal to l plus h divided by 2. So l is here 0 and h is the maximum number, so it will check with the middle position. If that middle position is compared with the element to be searched, is that so, then it will show that element is found, otherwise temp plus plus, so temp will increase. So again 1, that is temp will increase to 1, and else if the that element to be searched is less than the middle one, so H will become M, and in the condition opposite to that, then the L will become M, and this loop will run until that element will be searched, as it will search by dividing by to all the middle terms of the half and half and half, and that element will be get. So we'll see for the output. As it is asking that enter your choice, we are giving binary element 5 we are searching from, 1, 2, 6. So let's enter the element to be searched. I'm asking 3 and position 2. It's working.